Morning, different colors in Arabic. Go ahead.
Red, Amar, yellow, Asfar, green, Abdar, pink, Wardi, violet, Banalsaji, orange, Portugali, black, Aswad, white, Abiad, blue, Azrak, brown, Boni, silver, Fidi, gray. He is
Ramadi.
Ramadi, golden, Dahabi, red, Amar, white, Abiyad, black, Aswad, brown, Asmar, orange,
Borto.
Portugali, green, Akdanhar, yellow, Asfar, blue, Asrak, pink, Wardi, violet,
Banaw.
Banafsaji, silver, Fidi, golden, Dahabi, gray, Ramidi.
Thank you. Palakpakan sa sarili nyo. Congratulations.